My name's Star, and today I will be doing a centerpiece based on Beauty and the Beast. And these are all the things you'll need. So let's get to it. So first you're going to need a cardboard piece like this one. It doesn't have to be cardboard, it could be foam. I got this one at the Dollar Tree for $1. So we're going to start off with the small side for the book. These are the sides. I just cut them with the X-ACTO knife. And you're gonna need 6 of everything. 6 of this one and 6 of this. I took a piece of tape and taped it on the top of the can. And I just stuck this on it like this. And we're gonna use this Sun Bright Yellow paint. And we're just going to take a spongy brush and we're going to paint it. So now that I got my paint, I'm just going to paint it. So after you completely paint it and let it dry, we're just going to take our Mod Podge we're just going to pour some on flat base. We're going to completely cover this with a thin layer. Let's just move that to the side, and we're going to pour it on. That came out really, really nice. So next we're just going to take this brown wrapping paper that I got from Dollar Tree and cut it 17 by 28 inches. And then we're going to cover the front and back part of the book like a little gift. Now you're going to fold it in half and cut it down the middle. So once you wrap it, it should look like this. I use super glue so it wouldn't unstick. So now to assemble the book. We're going to use 2 of these pieces, 2 of these pieces, and 2 of these pieces. Then we're just going to hot glue them together. So this is how the book should come out. Now we're just going to add a piece of ribbon where the label should be. So this is how the outside label should look. If you want to add letters for the name of the book, you can. So there's your book. So when you're done, you're going to have 3 books that look like this. Part 2. Okay guys, now I'm going to teach you how to make the Beast's rose jar where he keeps the rose that the Enchantress cast a spell on. Okay guys, so now you're just going to need a bottle. And we're going to cut right here. Well, I'm not going to cut it. My dad's going to cut it with the X-ACTO knife. So then all we did was cut off this part, the bottom part. So now we're just going to take a piece of ribbon and we're going to measure it around this part. And then we're just going to cut it because this part is too hard to cut off. All I did was hot glue it on, and then you should have this. So now we're just going to move this to the side and start with our circle foams. These lights, we're just going to open them up. Now we're going to take our one of the little lights. We're going to place it near the middle, but not directly in the middle. And we're just going to trace it. Now we're just going to take our X-ACTO knife and we're going to cut this piece out. So now that we got that cut out, we're going to place it on top of this one and we're going to trace it. Just like that. Again, we're going to take our X-ACTO knife and we're going to cut it. And line up the circles. And we're going to stick in the light to make sure it fits. Like that. Then we're going to hot glue the two circles together. So then you should have something like this. And right where the two foam circles meet, we're just going to take our ribbon. We're going to measure it. And then we're going to hot glue it on. So once you're done hot gluing it, you're going to have something like this. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to use your X-ACTO knife to cut a small hole in the middle for your rose. Voila! So now we're going to take our light. So now I'm just going to grab 4 petals and put it around the rose. Oh, perfect. Now we're going to take our bottle and put it over. Make sure everything fits in. So now we're just going to hot glue the petals down, and we're also going to hot glue the cover like that. So it's going to look like this. We're just going to turn on the light and insert it in. Just like that. So I got these on Amazon. They came in a pack of 10. These are the crystal knobs that go on top. Just like this. Okay guys, so this is the final look.